I went to the market today for seafoods, not just fish, prawns, and crabs. How about salad from the sea? Find out what and how. Join me at my shabby provincial kitchen here in Anda. Welcome. We're preparing lunch, and along with the nabrao that I'm cooking now, and with this shrimps from the seas over Anda, I'm preparing salad. This is our ar-arosep salad, or to our Visayan friends, Lato salad. And this is let's give it a closer shot. This is the Lato in this part of Luzon. They're rounder, or the sea grapes, they're rounder, and they're a bit spicier, maanghang, a bit piquant. And this is best prepared with, of course, and I think I'll be adding onion and our toppings, or not our dressing. This is our padas. We call it padas where we are in this part of Pangasinan. It's basically fermented danggit, baby danggit. Let's prepare. Let's start preparing. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing by clicking the bell icon so that you get notified of every release. Very simple, just wash the ar-arosep or the lato and top it with sliced tomato. And as an option, onions, and dress it with padas or ginamus. Enjoy! There you have it, salad from the sea grapes, here on Channel 1. Join me again next time as we showcase more of the flavors of our homeland. And don't forget to come back for our regular recipes here at the kitchen in Anda or in Holland or elsewhere. See you next time. Dios te guarde. I'll be leaving you for now with the scenes at the market here in my hometown in Anda.
25 years, sir.
Amen, pati site?
City, ulit. Plus 55.
30 pesos?
Yes.
Would you believe? This is 60 cents.
Cents.
Yeah, euro cents. Do you not need?
Euro cents.
Yeah.
Ja, redelijk.
Huh?
Ja, is goed.
And also the beauty of my Andanya.
Talaga sarap. Dapat naka-documentary yung pag-market niya.
YouTuber ako.
Vlogger ka, sir.
Channel 1.
Wow.
It's on food and travel.
Wow.
Voice of Anda. It's in English.
Saan po kayo? Saan din sa
Sakaro.
Ay, Karoon. Awag kami naman.
Hey, kung nakapakasawa.
Baka masya ka to, sir, ah.
Una ito eh.
145 by 5 plus 30. 55.